What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Fatkat, man. I'm just giving you a bonus video today, or tonight I should say. So I went ahead and did, like I said, it's just a bonus. I went ahead, as I'm bored, right, waiting for like my other mods and all that stuff to come in, all the other parts to come in. I went ahead and I also ordered the Diode Dynamics lights, basically. So all the interior lights. I also did the trunk as well. And so basically I ordered them all with the cool white glow. So basically all it does is, you know, it updates the interior. You know, it's not necessarily a huge model or everything like that, obviously, but it does make the car look a lot more updated instead of having that that nasty yellow, you know, the yellowish light basically when you open the door and everything else. So like I said, I did all the updates or whatever. I changed out all the lights. And also the ones on the trunk as well. So all the door lights, I did the map lights, the lights in the back here, the dome lights basically, and all the lights on the bottom of the, you know, the bottom of the doors. So all 4 lights on the bottom of the doors as well. So let's check that out, man. Like I said, it's gonna be a quick video. Just want to show you guys how it looks when you update all your lights. I think it cost me roughly about, I think it was about 60 bucks, $65, maybe 70. But I did, like, literally I did the brightest of each light, you know. So they have different, I think there's like 2 or 3 different options that you can do with each light, and I did the brightest one of each one. So instead of like the little, I think, well, the ones in the back here and the little dome light over the doors, those were the small little bulbs. But the map lights that are over there, I got, you know, they were like super huge. It has like all the LEDs on it or whatever, like the whole board. So I got those 2, and then I got the ones, and then the ones in the trunk as well is, you know, the big old board as well. And then obviously the ones on the doors are also the big old board, like I said, because I got the brightest of each bulb that you could get. So it came out to about 65, maybe 70 bucks, something like that. I can't remember. But you could get it a lot cheaper if you get just the, you know, like either the lowest setting or the one like in the middle. You could probably get everything for, I would say maybe probably $30 or $40 at the most, maybe 50. But like I said, I wanted everything to be nice and crispy. That's the reason why I went ahead and got all of the highest settings. I'm going to turn off the lights now in the garage, and let's go and take a look at it, man. Here we go. So there you go. So I don't know if you could pick it up in the, you know, this is with the windows closed and everything else. So I don't know if you could pick it up in the camera really good, but it's, instead of that nasty yellow light, like I said, it looks all nice and crystal clear in there now. So even in the back. Look at that. Now I didn't get, I'll tell you this, the only ones I didn't get was the one in the vanity here. So one for this side and one for that side. I didn't get the ones in the vanity because you just don't open, you know, I just wanted it to look nice when you turn on the, you know, open the doors, whatever, and then all the lights turn on. I want it to look nice at that point. You know, I don't think we use vanity enough to warrant me paying a little bit more money for that. Even the ones in the glove box, I did not get that one either because, you know, rarely do we open the glove box, if ever. You know, only only when you get stopped by the police, and I try not to get stopped by the police, so I don't open that too often. Anyway, so yeah, man, so that's that. You can see the doors. So there you go, all nice and crystal clear. And you also have the ones in the back. So you can see back there the dome light. And then obviously there's one on this side as well. Yeah, so I like it, man. I think it makes the car look really, really, really nice. Like I said, nice and updated. Let's check out the one in the trunk. There goes the trunk. Nice and clear. Yeah, man. Open up these doors as well so you guys can see everything. Yeah, so there you go, man. Like I said, I like it. Like I said, it just gives it an updated look. Nothing too major, but something that makes a big difference when, you know, when you're pulling up somewhere, or, you know, you get out the car, or somebody's getting in the car, and instead of that nasty yellow light, you know, now it looks all crystal clear, like I said, like I keep saying, and nice and cool. And I got the, like you guys can see, I got the cool white all the way around. Diode Dynamics, they have man, they got a bunch of different colors: red, yellow, green, or whatever, you know, whatever suits your, you know, floats your boat. But I just wanted to keep it nice and classy, so I just went ahead and went with the cool white all the way around. I think it makes it look nice and clean, man. So there you go, man. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little video on the Diode Dynamics lights. If you guys were ever interested in doing that, or if you wanted to see how it looked, if it made a big difference or not, I think it's worth it. You know, the $50 or $60 or whatever, $70 that it cost me. Like I said, you don't necessarily have to spend that much, because, like I said, I got the top output of each bulb, you know. But like I said, you could probably spend at least $20 less and get basically the same effect. But anyway, man, appreciate you guys for checking in. As you know, I'm your boy Fatkat. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and then also make sure you guys share this with everybody you know, your friends and your family and everything else, man. I got the other stuff that's coming in, should be in tomorrow, I believe. So once that gets in, I'll make another video of the unboxing and everything else of what I got. And then, like I said, then we'll hopefully get in the shop soon, man, so we could go ahead and get everything installed, because I don't want to I could install it myself, right? I could install it myself, but I want to do it at the shop, because I'm going to have them do something else as well. So while they're going to do something else, I might as well just have them slap that on as well. So you guys will see it when we get it tomorrow. I'll do a video about it. Hopefully it comes in tomorrow, it should be. But we'll do a video about it, and then we'll go from there, man. Anyway, hope you guys have a great night or morning or whenever it is that you guys see this. And we'll see you guys on the next one, man. Later.